Mathsful YouTube channel. Today we will discuss formation of quadratic equation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment my YouTube channel to get new and innovative content about maths. Formation of quadratic equation. We know that alpha and beta are roots. These are our roots of quadratic equation. So now what you will do, you will let x is equals to alpha and x is equals to beta. You write x is equal minus alpha is equals to 0 and x minus beta is equals to 0. Now we are going to multiply x minus alpha into x minus beta equals to 0. Now you are going to multiply them and you will get x square plus alpha plus beta x minus ab plus ab and minus alpha beta is equals to 0. Now you know what is alpha plus beta is equals to minus b over a, and you know that what is, this is not AB. So people thought that it is AB, but not AB. This is x, alpha and beta. Minus b over a, alpha beta is equals to c over a. Now just place it, x square minus b over a plus x also plus c over a equals to 0. And you also know that minus b over a is equals to sum of roots. This is equals to sum of roots, and c over a is product of roots. What are the roots? Alpha and beta. So now what you will write here in the equation, x square minus sx plus b is equals to 0. So this is simply x square minus sx plus b equals to 0. So this is the equation. So this is the method to find the quadratic equation of the roots of the questions. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment my YouTube channel to get new and innovative content about maths.